and our love's unreliable. I'm giving all I got to make you stay, or am I just a roadblock in your way? Cause you're a pretty little windstorm out on the boulevard, something like a sunset, oh you're a shooting star. And I might drive myself insane if those lips start speaking my name. Cause I've got some intuition, or maybe I'm superstitious, but I think you're a pretty sweet pill that I'm swallowing down. To counter this addiction, you got me on a mission. Tell me darling, can I get a break somehow? Could I say no? She's got a love like whoa, girls got a love like whoa. I kinda feel like it don't make sense, cause you're bringing me in and now you're kicking me out again. Love so strong, then you moves on, and I'm hung up in suspense, because you're bringing me in and then you're kicking me out again. It's like a hurricane speed train, she's a moving car, catch her in the fast lane. Oh, I gotta know, can I keep up with her pace? Kicking into gear when I see that face. You can take up all my time, cause you're the only one that can make a storm cloud break, pulling out the sun. And I can't get caught in the rain, can I get your lips to speak my name? Cause I've got some tuition, or maybe I'm superstitious, but I think you're a pretty sweet pill that I'm swallowing down. To counter this addiction, you got me
on the first page of a story. The future seemed so bright, then this thing turned out so evil. I don't know why I'm still surprised. Even angels had their wicked schemes, and you take that to new extremes. But you'll always be my hero, even though you've lost your mind. Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. Oh, that's alright, cause I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. Oh, that's alright, cause I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie. Oh, I love the way you lie. Now there's gravel in our voices, glasses shattered from the fight, and this tug of war, you'll always win, even when I'm right. Cause you feed me fables from your head, with violent words and empty threats. And it's sick that all these battles are what keeps me satisfied. Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. But that's alright, because I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. But that's alright, cause I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie. Oh, I love the way you lie. Oh, so maybe I'm a masochist. I try to run, but I don't wanna ever leave till the walls are going up and smoke with all our memories.
This morning, you wake, a sun ray hits your face, smeared makeup as we lay in the wake of destruction. Hush, baby, speak softly. Tell me you're awfully sorry that you pushed me into the coffee table last night so I can push you off me. Try and touch me so I can scream at you not to touch me. Run out the room and I'll follow you like a lost puppy. Baby, without you I'm nothing. I'm so lost, hug me, then tell me how ugly I am, but that you'll always love me. Then after that, shove me in the aftermath of the destructive path that we're on. Two psychopaths, but we know that no matter how many knives we put in each other's back, have each other's backs, cause we're that lucky. Together we move mountains. Let's not make mountains out of molehills. You hit me twice, yeah, but who's counting? I may have hit you 3 times, starting to lose count, but together we'll live forever. We found the youth fountain. Our love is crazy, we're nuts, but I refuse counts. And this house is too huge. If you move out, I'll burn all 2,000 square feet up into the ground. Ain't shit you can do about it. With you, I'm in my fucking mind. Without you, I'm out here.
Stand there and watch me burn. Oh, that's alright, 'cause I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. Oh, that's alright, 'cause I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie. Love the way you lie. Love.
Yeah. Love.
J Rise,
Time to see.
yeah. Just all the things we've been through, it's just been crazy. But even though we had to go, I just want you to know that I still love you. I still got you.
Never should've let you go. Never find myself at home. Ever since that day that you walked right out the door, you were like my beating heart that I can't control. Even though we've grown apart, my brain can seem to let you go. Thinking back to the old times when you kept me up late at night. We used to mess around, laugh and play, fuss and fight. I guess it's too late, I'm dancing this dance alone. This chapter's done, the story goes on. Baby, can't believe that you are not with me, 'cause you should be my lady. All I want is to set your heart free. But if you believe that you belong with him, promise me you won't let anyone hurt you. Remember, I will always be here for you, even if it kills me to see you in that wedding dress. Oh, see you in that wedding dress. See you in that wedding dress. Oh, see you in that wedding dress. Oh no, snapping out this misery. Depression, this ain't me, but I always turn around 180 degrees. You got control of me that I can't explain. Somebody call 911 emergency before I go insane. Since you've moved on, you took a piece of me, give it back. So much pain in my chest, blacking out, heart attack. I guess it's too late, I'm dancing this dance alone. It's too late. Be my lady. All I want is to set your heart free. But if you believe that you belong with him, promise me you won't let anyone hurt you. Remember, I will always be here for you, even if it kills me to see you in that wedding dress. Oh, see you in that wedding dress. See you in that wedding dress. Oh, see you in that wedding dress.
It's the J-R-E-Y-E-Z. And I see you with your man, and it's hard to understand if we belong. If I did you wrong, where we even began. We would always fuss and fight, and it seems nothing was right. But I loved you, girl, and you were my world. But you never trust this guy, 'cause the things I do when I'm on the stage, they say I'm a superstar. You couldn't understand all the female fans, and then we grew apart. And I just don't get when you're acting like some other person. But I try my best to hold on at the times when it ain't working. And every time they say it's over, it breaks my heart, and I don't know why. 'Cause you done it a lot of times in the past, but I get back up and try. You said we could work it out, how could you hurt me now? And you moved on to the next, I'm left with an